Alright guys, welcome to another video. So where have I been? Well, for one part, I got sick for a couple weeks, but the bigger part is this car was in the shop for a month getting a new upgrade, I guess. That video will come soon, but today I just wanted to make a video. It's Sunday. I'm going to start this every week, and it's going to be once a week, either on Sunday or Monday, and it's just going to be a video about going out and having fun and inspiring people to go out and do something that they want to do. So this last weekend I went to a car show, the last car show of the season probably. I took my car and I saw a bunch of cool cars there, and I wanted to make an edit of them, and like I said, just having fun and going out and doing something that you want to do.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Never, never let you go. For me, I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me.